All right, heading back from Ingles instead of Publix in Waynesville, since Publix is closed, and hopefully we can see some more improvements. Okay, I'm not sure what that was about. And will it wait until the end? There are no other cars beside me, so I'm going to let it go and see if it merges. No, it doesn't. It just waits until the end and follows the line. Alright, so I am going to pay attention here. The last time I did this route, it followed this line. Car tries to follow construction lines. Alright, it still did that. So that is a continued regression. The crazy part about that is, until last week or whenever that was, 11.3.4, when it did that, it has never followed that line. It, even going back 5 years on autopilot, when we got our first Model 3, it never followed that line. It's always done a good job there. Nav on autopilot, FSD 11.1, 11.2, and 11.3 all did fine there. 11.4 is the first time I noticed it, and it's continued in 11.6. So that is not cool. Make sure you pay attention. Things like that can happen, and you don't expect it. I mean, that's 5 years of driving here, and it's never done that until recently. What in the world? These people behind me just turned left from the right lane. Stopping way too soon. Stopping way too soon. I don't... Okay, so I don't know why it was stopping so soon there. I hit the accelerator a few times to try and nudge it forward. Alright, good job making enough room and slowing down there. And are we gonna make it? It's perfect. That's what I want to see every time. Hopefully I can have more successful turns there than 11.3.4. And I'm hitting the accelerator. It should not stop right there. I'm going to tap that. I guess I should start disengaging and doing voice notes if a voice note will show up. Alright, so and that was our neighborhood dog Buddy. He just wanders. He's wandered for at least 10 years. Just takes a walk up the sidewalk. Sometimes comes to the school and walks the track on his own. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Not perfect and still some things that really need to be fixed, but I'll see you on the next one.